Noborema ime kaunti ya Nairobi nigo bachengeire RITUKO ase bakora etaro y'omurembe ase ebara ya Lang'ata na maiga yaye gokora egikaro ase skuru y'abare noborema ya Kenya Society for the Blind. Moyegoyo oragwa n'omonogeri bwe serikali Isaac Mwaura hamwe n'ababwatani bande nigo bayirari bagelyo na gukwanira emechando abale n'oborema bagwetera ase boigo barua okuboria gutia ase eamate gotiga kobayachaya na boigo kobaunereria abantu abo ale nayo nigo boigo bayirari bagelyo na korwa okuboria gutia ase kiumbe gatenento bosombi bwe para NTSA kwango yali chiko lyokubalinda ase chinara ase batebire nigo bakonyora emichande menge ekero bale ase chibara.
It is an honor to join you today as we mark this year's International Day for Persons with Disabilities. This day calls for us to reflect on our collective responsibility to advance dignity, opportunity, and full participations for all citizens. This year's theme, Fostering Disability Inclusive Societies for Advancing Social Progress, reinforces the principle at the heart of our Constitution that every Kenyan matters and must be enabled to contribute to national development without any form of discrimination. Kenya's commitment to disability inclusion, the government continues to prioritize disability inclusion as a cross-cutting national agenda grounded in the Constitution. The Persons with Disabilities Act of 2025 obligates Kenya's domestication of the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disability. Additionally, our development model, the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, also strengthens this commitment by ensuring that persons with disabilities are not left behind in accessing resources, opportunities, and social protection. Through the Better Plan, the government has placed equity, productivity, and inclusion at the center of our economic transformation. The key actions aligned to this agenda include, number one, strengthening social protection through the expansion of cash transfers for persons with severe disabilities and the regular, predictable release of funds, ensuring that households can meet basic needs with dignity. Already, over 50,000 households are benefiting from the Inua Jamii cash transfer program for those with severe disabilities, especially those with autism, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, intellectual disability, and other developmental disabilities. We are also enhancing access to economic opportunities by emphasizing micro, small, and medium enterprises, MSMEs, as engines of growth and ensuring that persons with disabilities are supported to access Hustler Fund and business.